Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are still unfortunately in quarantine. We aren't really sure how much longer we'll be in quarantine. You know, during this pandemic, it's completely natural to feel overwhelmed, stressed out. So I wanted to come on here today and just do a lighthearted video, something a little bit different than my typical makeup videos. And I wanted to show you guys how I've managed to keep my cool and stay sane as best as I can during this pandemic. So I'll be featuring products today from Sugar and Kush. I really do love Sugar and Kush as a brand. I love their products. I think it's really important to mention that Sugar and Kush CBD products contains 0 THC, so it's actually just going to make you feel calm. It'll take the edge off. It'll help with your anxiety. All really great benefits. All of Sugar and Kush CBD products are handmade and they are made right here in the US. I found a way to make it a little bit more fun, so if you don't want to take it straight, I want to show you a couple different ways right here in the kitchen where you can make different recipes using your CBD products, and I want you to see how versatile these products are. So if you already have them or if you're thinking about getting them, you'll have some ideas in mind on what you can do with the products and how you can use them to your advantage. The first thing I'm going to show you guys how to make is a smoothie. I'm going to be using 1 cup of my raspberry sherbet, 3 strawberries, a half a cup of Simply Lemonade, a couple of my CBD gummies, and 1 milliliter of my bubblegum CBD oil. Oh my gosh, this is so good! The bubblegum CBD oil, you can definitely taste it in here and it is so good. It just gives it that extra boost of flavor. And it's so nice too because you do get bits of those gummies in your mouth too to kind of chew on. I love those little chewy surprises. So you will love this drink. The second thing I'm going to show you how to make is a milkshake. I have my Edie's butter pecan ice cream. I'll be using 2 Sugar and Kush chocolate chip cookies. I'm going to put 1.5 in the blender with the ice cream. The other half I've crunched up into small bits to sprinkle on top. I have my whole milk. Also going to be adding a milliliter of the vanilla CBD oil by Sugar and Kush as well. And then I have my crushed cookie right here. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle that right on top. So we're gonna go ahead and try the milkshake. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Oh my gosh, you guys. I honestly cannot choose which one I like more. The milkshake is obviously like more rich. The smoothie was more on the fruity side, a little bit lighter. So I guess it just depends on what you are in the mood for. I mean, honestly, I love both of them. So if you end up trying either of those recipes, let me know. If you are interested in purchasing any of these Sugar and Kush products, you can actually use my code ICandyC30 for 30% off your order. Yes, Sugar and Kush sent me a 30% off code. So just try to help yourself stay sane while we're stuck in the house for Lord knows how much longer. But that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed these recipes.
And thumbs up!
And
subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you decide to get these products, feel free to use my code ICandyC30 for 30% off your entire order.